Hi friends, today we are going to see the most popular food, butter chicken. The dish was developed in 1947 by founders of Moti Mahal restaurant in Delhi, India. It was made by chance by mixing the leftover chicken in a tomato gravy rich in butter and cream. So let's begin with this. Add tomato to a pan. Add bay leaf, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, ginger, garlic, onion, Kashmiri chili powder and add little water. Let it cook well. In the meantime, let's marinate the chicken tikka. Take boneless chicken. To that, add ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, salt and give it a good mix. And leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's check on the tomato mixer. Add cashew nuts. Let it cook for few more minutes. Let's get the second marination done. Add oil to a bowl followed by chili powder, ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. To this, add very thick curd and give it a good mix. Add salt. Finally, lemon juice and give it a nice mix. Now add the chicken. And coat them well. Now chicken tikka marination is ready and let it marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's check on the tomato mixer. It looks nice and mashy. Once it cool down, grind it to a smooth paste. That's how it should be. Now, to a medium heat pan, add butter. Once the butter melts, add ginger garlic paste and saute well until the raw flavor goes off. To this, add chili powder and saute it well. In goes the ground tomato paste and mix it well. By the time it gets ready, let's pan fry the marinated chicken. If you have a grill or oven, you can use it. Flip it over. The chicken tikka is well done. Also, the gravy is well cooked on the other side. Now add the dry kasturi methi by crushing it in between the palm. Mix it well. Add salt and add chicken tikka and mix it. Add garam masala, cardamom powder and some more butter and mix them all together. Now add cooking cream. This will give more taste. And then add little sugar. And finally, chop coriander leaves and butter. Our rich and super delicious butter chicken is ready. You can eat with chapati, naan, rice also. Look at that, so tempting. Let's try it. It tastes really good. Try this recipe and share with me how it goes for you. Please subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Thank you.